it's Miss Rawls again. All right, guys. Yesterday, you had the journal entry that was, what is your favorite thing to do outside? Now, let me ask you a question. At the end of the question that I asked you was a question mark. Now, why was there a question mark? Because it was a question. Good job. Okay, at the beginning of that sentence, what was there? A capital letter, because all sentences start with a capital letter. All right, guys. Now, the question was, what do you like to do outside? In your journal entry, you should have written, like we do in class, it was March 14th, 2020. And if you didn't write that, you can do that now or when this video is over. March 14th, 2020. You should have written the question. I'm not going to write it because it takes way too long. But the question was, what is your favorite thing to do outside? You should have written that. Question mark. Then you should have answered the question. So you would have started that with a capital letter. My favorite thing to do outside is, and then you would have written that for me. Now let me answer that for you. My favorite thing to do outside is play with my family. All right? But I'm not going to stop there. Oh, no, 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 because journals are descriptive. I'm also going to say, I like to ride bicycles with my family. Okay? Then I can also say, I also like to go swimming in the summer when it's hot outside. We like to go to the campground and camp. We also like to play outside with sidewalk chalk. We like to make colorful pictures. We also like to play basketball. We like to play gotcha and horse. Those are some basketball games that we like to play. Now, all of those sentences would end with punctuation. All of those would be periods because nothing was just woo, way too exciting, and none of that was a question. So that's what my journal entry would be. And then I would draw a picture. I would probably draw a picture of us drawing with sidewalk chalk. I would draw my 3 kids, my 3 boys, and my husband, and we could be playing with sidewalk chalk. That would be a good picture for that journal entry. Now, let me tell you something exciting. Sophia, Felix, and Dahlia all sent me pictures of their journals today. Yay! Good job, guys. Tomorrow or today, I want everybody to send me pictures of your journal entry, okay? Snap a picture, get your parents to send it to me in the talking points, and we can talk about it the next day. Awesome job, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, let's talk about your math from yesterday. Yesterday, I gave you a word problem, and it was, you have 16 candy bars, and Miss Rawls has 12 candy bars. How many more candy bars do you have than Miss Rawls? All right? Now, when we do math, we put a movie in our mind. So right now, I'm thinking about you having 16 candy bars and me having 12 candy bars. All right? Now, let's look at that. You have 16. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, running out of room, 14, 15, 16. That's your candy bars. I have 12 candy bars. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, let's talk. So 16 and 12. This is yours. This is mine. Now, how many more candy bars do you have than me? In math, we are math detectives, and we look for clues. All right, guys, I need you to think about this. What is the clue word? If you said, how many more, you are correct. Ding, ding, ding. Good job. Okay, now, what does how many more mean? Does it mean add or does it mean subtract? If you said subtract, you are correct again. Ding, ding, ding. All right, so you have 16. I have 12. We have to figure out how many more do you have. So what do we need to do? Subtract. Subtract. Okay? So here's 16 and here's 12. So what are we subtracting from 16? 12. Good job. So what would our number sentence be? 16 minus 12. Good job. Okay? Now, let's look at that. Here's 16. When we subtract, are we adding air to our balloon or are we taking air away? We are taking air away. So our number is getting smaller. Good job. So we're taking 12 away. Let's do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is a little tricky, but I have 3 down here and I have 1 up here. So how many is that total? 4. Good. So we started with 16, we took 12 away, and we were left with 4. So we could say you have 4 more candy bars than Miss Rawls. Good job, guys. All right, now, before we stop, we're going to look at a little more place value today. Some of you are math wizards, so you're going to love this. All right. We have 90 plus 20. 90 plus 20. Are you ready? Let's look at our place value. What's this called? The ones. Very good. And what place value is this? Tens. And ones and tens. Now we know we have zeros in our ones place. So are our ones going to change? They are not. So now we need to say 9 and 2. We're adding, so our balloon's getting bigger. 9 and 2 is 11. And then we have to put our 0 ones. So the answer is 110. We could also make, how many sticks of 10 would we need to draw? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. And how many tens here? 2. 1, 2. If we put them together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 0 ones. All right? Okay. Let's look at another one that's a little bit trickier. bit trickier, right? Okay. What place value is this? Ones. Very good. And this is the tens. Good job. And this is your ones. And this is your tens. Awesome. Okay, like I said, a little bit trickier, not too hard. Let's look at our ones place. We have an 8 and we have a 0. 8 and 0 is 8. And now we have a 3 in our tens place and a 2 in our tens place. So 3 and 2 is 5. So your answer would be 58. Let's illustrate this right quick. Let's look at the number 38. We know that in our tens, that represents a group or a set of 10. So how many tens do we have in the number 38? 3. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 1 10, but we need 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 2 tens. Now we need 1 more 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have how many groups of 10? 1, 2, 3. And we know that 3 tens equals 10, 20, 30. So there's our 30. But we don't just have 30, we have 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? You with me? But this can't be a 10 because it's not 10 yet. It's only 8. Okay? So there's our 38. Now we have our 20. Now, how many tens are in 20? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 1 10, but we need 2. So another 10, 20, 30, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's another one. So this equals 2 tens equals 20. And now we're putting them together. So we have, let's count our tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we have these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 58. All right, guys. That's all I have for you today. On the next video, I'm going to read you a book. There won't be math, so don't worry. Thank you guys for watching all of this, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Goodbye.